Real numbers. What do we mean by real numbers? All rational and irrational numbers are known as real numbers. Within real numbers, we will know all types of numbers. First, natural numbers. Natural number. What do you mean by natural numbers? All counting numbers are known as natural numbers. We start counting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So all counting numbers are known as natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. The smallest counting number is 1 and we cannot find the largest counting number because next counting number is one more than its previous one. Second, whole numbers. Whole numbers. All counting numbers including 0 are known as whole numbers. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. When we include 0 with counting numbers, it forms whole numbers. All natural numbers are whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not natural numbers because 0 is a whole number, but it is not a natural number because we start counting from 1, not with 0. Third, integers. All counting numbers, negative of counting numbers with 0 are known as integers. For example, ... minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. All these numbers are integers. All counting numbers, negative of counting numbers with 0 are known as integers. Next, fourth, prime numbers. Prime numbers. Numbers having only two factors, 1 and the number itself, are known as prime numbers. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and so on. These are the example of prime numbers because all these numbers have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Next, composite number. Composite numbers. Numbers having more than two factors are known as composite numbers. For example, 4. 4 has more than two factors, 1, 2 and 4. 4 is divisible by 1, 2 and 4. All its factors are more than 2. So all numbers having more than two factors are known as composite numbers. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16 and so on. All these numbers have more than two factors, so all these numbers are known as composite numbers. 6. Co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. Numbers having HCF 1 is known as co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. Any numbers having HCF 1 known as co-prime numbers. For example, 5, 7 are co-prime numbers. Twins prime, twin prime numbers. Two consecutive prime numbers are known as twins prime. For example, 2 and 3 are twin primes. Next, perfect number. Perfect number. If the sum of all factors of a number is twice the number itself, is known as perfect number. For example, 6, 28. All factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. It means 6 is divisible by 1, 2, 3 and 6. Sum of its all factors 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 12. 12 is just double of 6, so 6 is a perfect number. 9. Rational number. Rational numbers. The numbers having in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0, are known as rational numbers. Any numbers which are in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0, are known as rational numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 5 by 9, 7 by 11, all are the example of rational numbers. 0 is also a rational number because it is also in the form of p by q. We can write 0 in the form of rational number. 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by anything is 0, so 0 is a rational number. Next, irrational number. Irrational numbers. The numbers which are not in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0, are known as irrational numbers. For example, root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, root 11, etc. All these numbers are not in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers. So all these numbers are example of irrational numbers. Now we can define real numbers. All rational and irrational numbers are known as real numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, minus 1, 2, 3, 5, and so on, root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, all these numbers are come in the category of real numbers. So we can say that all rational and irrational numbers are known as real numbers. Thanks